Hey there, hope you're doing well. This short video is on complete booking system in bubble.io, where you will be able to create bookings like this, and after confirmation this booking time will be disappeared from this list, and you can make it customized. So like I am selecting 60 minutes, so there is the booking timings that are available in 1 hour period, and they will be displayed right here. And if I change this to anything else, it is also displayed like this. So also I can change the dates, and based on dates it changes as well. Okay, so for this all you will need is like some settings, and then it will start working. So the basic thing, first thing you will need is this plugin named filtered time slots, and for this you will have to go to plugins and search for time slots. And here you will be able to see filtered time slots. You can install it from over here. And after installing it, you'll just drop it on the page where you will be needing it. Okay, after this is done, you will also need some place to store this session. So this is just a UI. You can basically create a drop down over here. This will not be an issue for you, and these things will be like a selection for you, and you will have to store them somewhere. For now I'm storing them in the main page in the states. So here you can see like there is this 30, 45 and 60 plans listings available over here. Okay, and then you will need a date time picker. A date time picker will basically do is like select you the date that you want, and based on that day you will be able to like create the schedule the time slots like this. Okay, for the settings you will be needing for this is this filter time slots, and you will go here, you will be able to see date, interval, range and excluded range. So this excluded range is like a filter that you will apply over here, and based on this list will hide the thing. So I am like, after I book something like this 6:30 to 7, then it disappears. It disappears because I have applied this filter part right here from that day. And the other thing is this range. So the range will show you like what is the availability, like is it from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or is it from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. or what it is. So this part is I will clear it out, and you can see there are two timings availability. The one is from 6 to 9 and the other is from 12 to 6. And this I will also show you. So you can see this is from 12:30 to 1 and 4 to 17. So these are like 30-minute slots not available and 1 hour slots not available. And if I go to this part, interval minutes, I can see there I can just put the value, like I want it to be 60, 45, 30, 15, 10, 5, any number can work over here, so that's not an issue. And this part we can directly like select any date, it will work with the date, so there is no problem with this date. Okay, there I just select the date from the daytime picker and round it down to a day, just to be like specific to that day, like the starting of the day. So if the today I select the time like date from 6/1/2025, then it will show me the current time as well with this date time picker, but I don't want that part. I just want the exact date, so I will round it down to the day and it will convert into the 6 1/20/25 and also 12/00 or 0000. Okay, and this is the whole settings that I will be needing. And after this is done, I will select the repeating group and just select this filter time slots and select the text to display this whole content inside of it. Okay, so some more things that I will be needing to show the data here. So the data inside the filtered time slots is going to be a little complicated to handle. Like the first part right here, it's the current users or the users that I want to filter. So this will select the users selected plan and convert it into a number. So like I have selected this 30-minute, 45 minutes, 60 minutes. It will select it and convert it into a number. So this 30-minute, 45-minute and 60-minute will be displayed over here. What I can do is like save it into a drop down and directly just show the drop down's value, and it will also work for me. So the drop down values, 30-minute drop down values, 45-minute drop down values, 60-minute, it will be the same thing. The next part here is the selection date. So this part will directly go over here, but the main thing we will be handling is exactly getting the availability of that day. So I am going to search for this booking with coach, like search for booking and then filter it with the current date time. So I just want it to be exactly the values from the current date or the date that here it is selected, because if I want to exclude anything, I only want the bookings or the data to be excluded from the exact same day, not from the other day. Let me to be clear for this. So this will show me the events based on the day. So here you can see it's 2 dates. So I have these availabilities right over here. And if I change the date to 3 same availabilities, but just make an unavailability for the day 2 and check it again. So it filters out the values based on days as well. So from the 2 date, it checks exactly what we have to filter or what we have booked over here, and exactly that part is like skipped. If I change, it will not work and it will do the same thing, and that's it. You can see Friday has no availability and the other thing is working. If I go to 60 minutes and select any one booking and I go back to 30 minutes, and I will see the same booking has disappeared for the 30 minutes as well. So that time is also skipped. Let me show you like 7 to 8, let it 8 to 9. So 8 to 9 is hidden over here. Let me convert it into 30 and I can clearly see there is no 8 and 9, 8 to 9. So this is why this bookings date formatted as is, this bookings value is selected. So this will select only the bookings from that day and show it over here. And the last part, the main part, is this formatted as text. So formatted as text is specifically to show you the value in the form of this. So like you have this format 12 to 13, 16 to 7. So this part is done using the format to text, and I just convert it into time 12:44, 12:14, and then dash, and then again time as a 14:14. So it picks exactly the time range and gives me this number. This is all the main thing I will be needing over here, and this like helps this exclude range part. The other thing I will also do is this in the current users like availability ranges. So I will also select the start time of the user and the end time of the user. So how it works is like this range is also excluded. So the current user, if it's available from uh, 12 to 9, this part is specifically selects the time from and dash and time to, and it excludes that. So like a user has a permanent unavailability throughout the day, so it will hide that part and just show me this part. And this is all for this complete functionality of this. There is no like API connections or anything. You just have to just put this filter time slots and connect it with the repeating group and just display the data inside the repeating group as a text format by just selecting the time and adding the drop downs value. So like what I have done is like this is time 2:16 and the last part is plus minutes, and select the value from this state or just from the drop down, and it will turn into 9 to 9:30. This will be exactly the same thing. And one more thing that we can do ourselves, not with this filtered time slot, is that like this we can see this part, this goes inside the users and checks for the weekdays. So like I have this weekdays list available inside, and that checks for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and everything. Let me check it over here. Okay, this is days of week, and I can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I've added it over here. What I do is like check in the listing with this exactly, but also match it with the drop downs value, or sorry, the date time pickers value. So the date times value is extracted and converted into Saturday or Sunday or Monday. And as you can see, like date time pickers value formatted as DDDD. This is custom and converted as this Saturday. So this is a week of the day, and it checks that if it is, then it is green. If it is not from the users list, so it will show red. So the user has like selected 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday inside his list. Then it checks that the user contains these lists, like user availability days has this arbitrary text value, and like you can see there is Friday only. So I will check to Saturday. It is not available with the user because the user doesn't contain this day. And if I go back, everything is available. But when I go back to Sunday, okay, so this has also like one settings done, this calendar, that you cannot go back. So inside the calendar there is this range option. You can see the range is this is, yeah, this is the minimum date right here, and the minimum date should be like current date time plus days 1. So this will show you from starting from the next day. So I cannot book the current day, I can only start with the next day. So what I have is like no one available starting from the 2, so I can go next and next. Here I can see the Sunday is not available, then again Monday is available, and this is not available. This is a whole flow. Okay, so this is everything related to this time slot selections and how we can make it like completely customizable as per our needs. Thank you guys for watching this video. Take care.